Great day, everyone. Just want to piggyback on the conversation that we started last week about what do chiropractors do, and had some good questions about that, and how we restore life, restore your health, and that's a beautiful thing to piggyback on, because just want to be clear about chiropractic care and the importance of it. I mean, I know most people wait to have issues, some kind of health issue. I get it. Most people do that, you can think you're healthy until you're not. And that's why I just encourage folks and encourage anybody, hey, see a chiropractor and see one regularly. Why? To make sure your body's functioning at its highest and best it can be. Now, if you're having issues, having health issues, or someone that you know is having some health issues, and you're just not sure what to do, or you're tired of what you've been doing, go to our website, westpointgachiropractor.com, and the space provided next to my picture where it says Learn How, enter your email address. I'm then going to email you specific information on how I can help you get your life back, get your health back without drugs and without surgery. So if there's someone that you know or yourself, hey, let's do that. Let's help this community. Let's help this community become healthier and happier. So, but I just want you to know, chiropractic at its core, at its essence, it's about restoring your life. And you're like, well, Dr. Jones, what's that really mean? What are you talking about there? And so I'll tell you this much, and I'll share this with you. I've shared it with you before. I'm going to keep sharing it because leaders are repeaters, and the truth doesn't change. As we said time and time again, the brain controls every function in the body. And the nerves connect the brain to the body. And research has shown, this is the newest research, the older research. I mean, I say that because, 100 years ago, they're looking at cadavers. And now we're doing research on the nerve functioning live. And the newer research shows that the weight of a dime on a spinal nerve decreases nerve function by up to 60%. So I say that to say, as a chiropractor, that's how we restore life. We take pressure off the nerves. We get the brain-body connection. We get you functioning. Long story short, we help your body stay coordinated. That's a great term that I love. Coordinated, meaning every function is happening precisely at the right time. Every cell is doing their job when it's supposed to. Not one doing it now and one doing it when it wants to. No, there's precision. There's coordination in the functioning of the body. That is beautiful. And that's why, as a chiropractor, I look at the spine for all health reasons. No matter what you come in here with, what you tell me or don't tell me, after getting adjusted, I know that you're doing better. Now, I get it. It may take some time for you to think that you're doing better. I get it. And I tell anybody, that's why working with animals or children is beautiful. Because they don't think about it. They have, when they walk out of here, they're not thinking, what did it do to me? What happened? No, they're like, oh my God. And it's just amazing to hear these stories about children, about animals that get adjusted, that we take good care of their spines too, because hey, we all need it. We all have to get checked for subluxations, and we all have to get checked for that nerve pressure we talked about. The weight of a dime on a spinal nerve decreases nerve function by up to 60%. So we want to help you get healthy. We want to help you stay healthy. But more importantly, it's about your life. Hey, can you do the things you want to do? Can you do the things that you gotta do? that's tough sometimes. I get it. And more importantly, do the things that you want to do to enjoy life. Whether that be gardening, whether that be playing golf, whether that be sewing, whatever you like to do. Let's keep you doing that, because that makes it joyful. That makes life more joyful. And when we're doing joyful things, it's contagious. Life is contagious when we're joyful, when we're giving out of our own abundance. So just want to drop that with you here today. Chiropractic is about restoring life. I know we don't hear that very often. We think about symptoms, we think about problems, but I want to think about, hey, let's get your life back. So whatever you have going on with you, whatever condition that you've been told that you have, just know there's hope. Just know there's restoration for that issue. And when your body's functioning properly, I know that you can be the best you can be. I'm Dr. Brenton Jones, West Point Family Chiropractic, and we love helping folks, as you can tell, and we're going to continue doing that. But sharing is caring, so please share this. And if you're having issues with your health, with your life, or someone that you know, that's why I want to share these videos and get you to our website, westpointfamilychiropractor.com, and the space provided next to my picture where it says learn how, and your email address. I'm then going to email you back specific information on how to help you get your life back without drugs, without surgery. Or hey, that's one way of doing it. But if you just want to call, you're tired of reading, tired of hearing, you just want to talk with somebody, a human, call our office, 706-645-1033. We're here for you. Or hey, better yet, if you'd rather come by and see us, 1106 3rd Avenue, West Point, Georgia. We're here for you. It's our pleasure helping this community. Number one, get healthy. Number two, stay healthy. That's what we do here. We'll restore your life, get your life back. Sharing is caring. The more we share, the more we care. The more we care, the more we share. So, I'm Dr. Brenton Jones, West Point Family Chiropractic, and I will see you real soon.